to the channel.
Good morning.
Yes, good morning for us. I don't know what time of day it is for you, but good morning, good night, and good afternoon. It is day 4 or day 5?
5.
Day 5, 4th full day here in Curacao. We slept in a little bit this morning. Yesterday was a very long but very wonderful day. We spent the day at Klein Curacao. We vlogged it, of course, so that was up before this one. If you haven't watched it, go watch it. But yeah, we are just gonna hang by the pool today, hang by the beach, a relaxing day. And then we have dinner reservations tonight at a restaurant that we went to the other day, which was Kome. And we loved it so much that during dinner, when we were eating, we decided to book a reservation for tonight, and tonight is Friday night. So I was really busy the other day, and I feel like it's gonna be even busier tonight. So it's nice that we do have a reservation. There really isn't too much to do around that area, so I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a taxi and just have them bring us to the restaurant and then bring us back when we're done eating. But yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. We are just gonna have a relaxing day. Yesterday was a very long day, but it was very good. I just am so, like, my body is so tired just because of everything. Like, we did so much walking. I didn't feel well, so I feel like my body's just really tired and could use like just a day at the pool and to just people watch and enjoy it for ourselves. But yeah, we'll be taking you guys along for our day today. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new here. If you haven't watched the other videos, please do so. And with that being said, I think we're gonna go downstairs. We're not gonna get a full breakfast today. We actually still haven't done that on the trip.
Maybe tomorrow.
Yeah, maybe tomorrow. We definitely need to like plan for that.
Yeah.
But I think we're just gonna stop at the little store downstairs and get some like
little pastries again.
Little pastries, because those have been really good. But yeah, let's kick into day 5, another day here in Curacao. Let's go get some breakfast. Breakfast-ish.
Breakfast.
Before we leave, I want to show you guys our outfits because I kind of really like them today. You're wearing American Eagle, and then where are these from?
Fair Harbor.
Fair Harbor. He's been getting some of his bathing suits from there, and I really like them. Really and then rainbow sandals, rainbow flip-flops. I have reef flip-flops, and then I got this shirt from Cupshe, and I actually really love it. It's my first time wearing it this trip, or in general, and I showed it in the haul before the vacation, but it's really cute actually, very beachy. And then these are just some comfy shorts from, I don't even know where, Target. Headband, my scalp part, my head is burnt, so I'm gonna have to put a hat on immediately when we go downstairs. And then I have this really cute pearl necklace. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is from Madewell. And it's really cute.
Very cute outfit.
Yeah, and then I'm wearing like a purple bikini. And then my beach bag, which is from Vera Bradley. And I love this thing. It has come with us on many trips. But now it is time to go get some breakfast. We've got our breakfast. I ended up getting the sprinkle muffin again. It's tight in there. It's super windy today, so I don't want it to blow away. And then I got the blueberry lemonade, and then Zach got the banana bread, which he is all done eating. We got 2 chairs, or Zach got up really early this morning to get these 2 chairs. They're by the beach and they're by the pool. So good job. We also have this Connect 4 game. Maybe we'll play some of that too, but we're gonna enjoy the beach and the pool after I eat my little muffin. What do we got? Oh, what is it?
Pink flamingo.
Pink flamingo? And what'd you get?
I got a rum runner that I wasn't paying attention and they blended it again.
They did?
Yeah, I wasn't paying attention.
Maybe that's just like what they do here.
I guess I have to ask for it on the rocks. But he's the only one that does it. When I ask for a rum runner from any other bartender,
weird. Anyway,
they don't do that.
Cheers. Ah! This one has 2 cherries. The more cherries, the better for me. Yay. We actually have no idea which drink is which because we just tried it and I can't tell.
Typically rum runners have oranges, cherries, and flipped around. I thought he just blended it, but that definitely doesn't
I think he mixed some, I think he mixed 2, like.
I think the bartender doesn't really know what he's doing.
That's alright. It's good though. So I think mine's the frozen one, whatever is in the pink flamingo. And
they didn't say it would be frozen though. It just said.
I mean, it's good. It tastes like there's rosé in it.
I think
like
it is
champagne or something. Anyway, it's good.
Cheers.
Cheers
again.
You got a drink? Bad luck. Yum. Oh my, lunch is served. I ended up getting a peach daiquiri, which is delicious. And then what did you end up getting for another?
A beer.
Just a local beer?
Blonde.
Yes, a local beer. These have been so good. So we've like every day that we've been at the beach and pool, we've gotten them. They're just their chicken nachos. It's so good. It has like nacho cheese, sour cream, avocado, another sort of like chipotle, so whatever that red sauce is.
Sour cream, cheese sauce, chipotle, aioli, and
that's what it is.
And guac. That's like
yes. Delicious. And then we just got a side of fries. We're gonna sit, enjoy this, finish our drinks, and then we're actually gonna head over to the infinity pool, which is like the adult pool, which we haven't been over yet. So we'll definitely be taking you guys along. But let's enjoy lunch, and then we'll bring you guys over to the pool. Back up to the room. It's about 4:30 now. We have reservations at 7, yes. So that gives us enough time to rest, recharge, get ourselves cleaned up. No, I'm not actually really not tired. I think us sleeping in this morning definitely helps me get a little bit less tired today. Will you fill this up with ice? Yes. Each floor here has an ice machine, and they also, not every floor has a water bubbler, but there's water bubblers all around the hotel, so you can make sure you stay hydrated. But like I said, reservations are at 7. I think we're gonna head there just a little bit early, just so we can like check in. If we're there too early, we'll just get a drink and hang out by the bar. But we had such a good beach day and pool day. One thing that I really love about this hotel, and actually reminds me of some of the Disney hotels, is that the doors are outside basically, so you're not walking through like a hallway in an indoor building, if that makes sense. But I like it. I feel like we haven't been bothered or heard anything from our neighbors and vice versa and stuff, so we've been really enjoying the room so far. And they do come in and do your towels every day, and then they do like the bed stuff every 3 days?
They make the bed every day, but they don't change the sheets until the 3rd day return.
Yes, so yeah, exactly what he said. But the room has been great. We've been very happy with it. We are kind of almost ready, almost.
We're like 90%
Hair
ready.
needs to be fixed. I'm just gonna take it out of the braid. I didn't feel like washing my hair after going into the pool. So I'm gonna do like a beachy hair today with some curls, and then you gotta do your hair.
I just have to fix my hair, yeah.
You're fine. I mean, other than that, we're pretty much ready to go. We mentioned earlier we are heading to Kome, which is in, again, yes, we went there Tuesday night, and we had such a good experience, so we decided to come here again.
Have to go back.
Yes, it's so good. It's so yummy, and the drinks, everything, we just really loved it. So we want to experience it one more time before we have to go back home. Tomorrow is our last full day here, so we do have like another dinner tomorrow night, but tonight we're just excited to go back to Kome. This is located in Willemstad, but if you specifically,
it's in a area called, I think this one's like,
I don't know.
It's not Punda, but it's like next to Punda. I'll have to look it up, but I know it's just outside of Punda.
It's not, yeah, it's 15-20 minutes from here.
Yeah. It's a little bit outside of like the main city, but there's a whole stretch of like more boutique hotels and restaurants down there.
It's nice.
They all were highly recommended, but we really enjoyed Kome, so I figured no need to try something else again. The taxi driver did say that this restaurant is one of the best around, so we made a good choice by eating there the first night. But I think that's just what we're gonna, I think we're just gonna get dinner there, get some drinks, see what is around there after. There's no like shops or anywhere to walk around much, other than like the neighborhoods that are just, it's so beautiful. The taxi driver said there was a bar across the street that gets fun on Friday night, so we'll see if our vibes are up. Well, maybe we go across the street, but if not, we'll probably depends on how much like food, because I can't like go out. We'll see what our energy levels are.
we'll see. But we had a really relaxing day today. I don't think I got too much, just because we have just been relaxing at the pool. We went into the pool, we went into the beach. It was just a good time. We had some drinks, we had lunch, which I showed you guys. But yeah, other than that, we've just had a really good day.
Yeah, it's been really relaxing, needed after yesterday.
Yeah, I definitely was so tired last night. Last night was very tired.
Yeah, you slept in late today too. I
know. Well, it was like 8:30, right? No, it was 9:15.
Yeah, 9:15.
Yeah, 9:15. It's like, you think of like the beach being relaxed and everything, which it totally is, but the sun just like sucks out all of the energy that you have, which is a great thing, like no complaints. But I just was so tired yesterday, so it was nice to get like a very chill, relaxing day today. But I'm excited for dinner. I think it's gonna be a nice sunset. We won't be able to watch it on the beach tonight, but maybe we'll get like a nice sunset around the area. We might see it like on our drive, probably. Yeah. What time is it?
It's almost 6.
Yeah, I think we could just leave like soon, and then we could just kind of bounce around the area. Yeah, might as well. But we'll take you guys along. Probably get some of the same things that we got the other day, but maybe try some other things. But yeah, let's head to Kome. We'll bring you guys along, and we'll probably do some B-roll over dinner. But we'll probably check in with you guys before that. But let's have a good dinner. Yay. Not bye. See you later. Disney. We're currently in Curacao and we're watching Disney vlogs. We miss you, Disney. We are back in the room. We are, oh, you're kind of ready for bed.
Yeah, why?
I'm not. I'm still in my outfit and dress. We have just been chilling. We're watching one of our favorite YouTubers channel, Mammoth Club. They're Disney people in Universal. We miss Disney, we miss Universal. And then we kind of started talking about our cruise that we went on a year and a half ago? A year and a half ago?
Yes.
So we started watching our old cruise videos on the TV in the room, and your elbow is digging into my shin bone out. But review on dinner, it was
still fantastic. Still fantastic.
I actually liked this dinner better than, did I even just say that we were watching? I don't even know. Did I say? I don't even think I said.
Said what?
I don't think I said that we were watching our old cruise videos.
You literally just did.
No, but I said.
Instant replay. Ashley talking about the cruise videos, and then asking, "Did I tell them about the cruise video?"
No,
right here.
So we started watching our old cruise videos. Did I even just say that we were watching? I don't even know. Watching our old cruise videos.
You literally just did.
I think that I said we were talking about it, but I don't think I actually said the reason why we brought that up.
No, you did. You said we were watching it.
I did?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh my
Okay,
god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ashley in post-production would be like, what the hell was I doing? What's wrong with you? Wake up, wake up, wake up.
So we were watching our old cruise videos. And then
Yes.
back to what we were talking about with dinner. Dinner was so good. I loved our dinner the other night. Take 95.
You just got the giggles. Look at giggles over here.
I can't believe this. But tonight's dinner.
Action. Yeah, add this entire 3-minute clip into the Ashley behind the scenes video.
I'm crying.
Who?
Sharpay Evans
Who?
from High School Musical. Stop.
You forgot I was the star of High School Musical, the high school production.
Now that my giggles are done, that was wild. Dinner was so good tonight. We did get...
I think this might have to be like an Ashley finishes the vlog by herself type thing. Because I looked at you and you started laughing, so I'm gonna exit stage right.
For dinner, we had a different appetizer.
Yes, we had burrata.
We had burrata today and it was so good. It was the best burrata I've ever had and I haven't had too many. It's been a recent realization that I really love burrata. So when she was talking about the specials and they said that that was a special, I really wanted that.
And then we got their bread.
Yes, and we got their like bread, which we didn't even realize was on the menu last time, but that was really, really good as well. And then I just ended up getting, we both got the same thing we got the other day.
Same entrees, different appetizers.
Yeah, he got the steak, I got the beef brisket, and then we just got some like mac and cheese, truffle mac to share, and it was really, really good. And then for dessert, I've been craving like ice cream all week this week, and they had, they make like in-house ice cream. So I got Oreo and he just got this like Belgium chocolate, and I didn't have his, I don't love chocolate, but mine was really, really, really good. And then after that, we headed back, we got a taxi, and then we headed back to the hotel, and there was a live band that was playing, which we did get some clips. It's very, very busy tonight at the hotel tonight because they're doing like a, convention almost.
Work conference convention type thing going on.
Yeah, they're doing like a convention thing, and there was like tables and everything outside, and you could tell like people were wearing like lanyards and stuff. So it was very busy, but it was really fun. It was really, really good way to end the night. And now we're just here and we're getting ready for bed, and I feel like I'm so giggly because I'm so tired.
Likely the case.
Yeah. But thank you guys so much for watching the video. I'm gonna put the camera down now before I get the giggles again and can't stop breathing, or can't stop laughing and stop breathing. There we go.
You said breathing twice.
Yeah, I know.
Before I stop breathing or start giggling or stop breathing.
I corrected myself.
She needs to go to bed.
Yes. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. We had a really, really good day today, honestly. I feel like today might have been my favorite day so far. I'm serious. We just had such a good chill day by the pool and the beach.
Yeah.
And then dinner was fantastic, and then we just ended it on such a really good note. But we have another full day tomorrow, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that video, and then the one after that to come. And if you haven't watched the other ones, make sure you go watch the other ones. But we definitely need to go to bed. So thank you guys for watching, and we will see you in the next one.
Bye.